Enchanted by a spell, the world fades away. The kingdom waits in silence for the dawn's first ray. Sleeping Beauty, in your peaceful repose, in a realm of dreams where the magic flows. Through the thorns and roses, the story unfolds. In the arms of Morpheus, the fairy tale composed. A spindle's touch, a curse so deep, yet a kingdom believes in the promises to keep. Thorns may grow, but love runs deep in the heart of dreams where emotions seep. Oh, Sleeping Beauty, in your bower, awaiting the prince. The dazzling beauty in your peaceful repose. In a realm of dreams where the magic flows. Through the thorns and roses, the story unfolds. In the arms of Morpheus, a fairy tale composed. A prince on a quest through forests dark, battles with thorns, leaves his mark. A kiss of love, a song of the lark, awakening beauty, a journey embarked. Eyes flutter open, a world reborn, in the golden sunlight of a brand new morn. Love that triumphs, a destiny sworn, in the tapestry of dreams, a tale adorned. Sleeping Beauty, your slumber ends, a love that transcends upon that amen. Oh, Sleeping Beauty, your slumber ends, a love that transcends upon that amends. Through thorns and roses, a heart ascends. In the realm of dreams, where magic blends. Sleeping Beauty, awake to the light. In the realm of dreams, where love takes flight. Through the thorns and roses, a story so bright. In the arms of awakening, a fairy tale's high.